In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best towel racks available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the towel racks list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the towel racks mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Gold Folding Bath Towel Rack. This gold folding bath towel rack is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, offering durability and a stylish touch to your bathroom. The wall-mounted design saves space while providing a convenient spot for your towels. The foldable feature allows you to adjust the space according to your needs, making it ideal for both small and larger bathrooms. Number 4, No-Hole Suction Cup Towel Rack. This innovative no-hole suction cup towel rack provides a hassle-free installation without the need to drill holes into your walls. It's a perfect bathroom accessory for renters or those who prefer a non-permanent solution. The integrated toilet towel bar adds extra functionality, while the sturdy suction cups ensure a secure hold, even in a humid environment. Number 3, Retro-Style Chrome-Plated Towel Bar. This retro-style towel bar features a sleek chrome-plated finish that adds a vintage flair to your bathroom. Measuring 60 centimeters in length, it is perfect for hanging towels and offers both practicality and elegance. Its wall-mounted design ensures a space-saving solution while enhancing the overall decor of your bathroom. Number 2, Double Towel Rack. This double towel rack is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel with a matte black finish, offering a modern and stylish touch to any bathroom or kitchen. Available in 40 cm or 60 cm sizes, it provides ample space for hanging multiple towels, keeping your bathroom organized while complementing its decor. Number 1, Stainless Steel Towel Rack with Movable Hook. This versatile towel rack features a fixed holder and a movable hook for added convenience. Constructed from 304 stainless steel and finished with a sleek chrome surface, it offers durability and a modern look. Its wall-mount design ensures stability, while the movable hook allows for easy towel organization and access in your bathroom or shower.